I'm Sophia Ragavelis, the Musical Mentor, and today we have been doing at our workshop an introduction to mastering your mindset for success. We have looked at the inner dialogue that can take you out of the game for an audition, and I have given some tools and techniques that enable you to feel empowered, to feel ready, to feel calm, to walk in that audition room and feel excited to share your passions. We have looked at the musical mental method, some tools and techniques such as visualization, affirmations to get you into that zone. I'm so excited to bring this workshop to the world and help everybody just feel empowered to be able to walk into that audition and share their light and their passion. If you'd like to come and join one of my workshops, please come and find me on Instagram at The Musical Mentor or Sophia Ragavelis at The Musical Mentor on Facebook, and come and get the information. I also have my podcast, Awaken with The Musical Mentor, and I'm bringing out some really exciting online courses next year. I'm so excited to bring you these tools and techniques to be able to empower you to walk into that audition room and feel ready to share what you have.